If you want to make a purchase from Amazon using your Learning Fund, first thing you'll do is go into your parent portal. Once you get into the parent portal, you'll look at something. You'll click on the Learning Fund, and once you do, you'll see something that looks similar to this. First thing you'll do is you're going to go here, and this drop-down menu will give you a list of the students which you're authorized to make purchases for. And then you're going to come here, say you've chosen your student, and say you're wanting your student to have, say, the Buckle Down workbooks from Amazon. Normally, what I do is I actually cut and paste the description from Amazon, as far as from the Amazon store that I found it on. Then you're going to go here. If it's consumable, you're going to check yes, things like workbooks and stuff. If it's not consumable, something like a reusable textbook or something like that, then you're going to tell it no. Then you're going to tell how many of those things that you want, how much do they cost, and then this will populate itself. Now on the store here, say it is Amazon, you're going to type Amazon in this box. Once you get finished with that, do not use the link to the cart. What you want is the actual product at the top of Amazon. Let's go to Amazon and look at that. Once you get over here to Amazon, say I wanted to buy, I'll go here. Let's say I wanted to buy the sixth Buckle Down ELA books. Right here. Okay, we'll use this Spectrum. It'll work. When I get here, I'm not going to add this to the cart. I'm going to go up to the top and highlight the actual link to it and cut it, and then I will come over here and paste it into this place right here, so that our Learning Fund folks can find that and they'll actually make the purchase. So anyway, I hope this video helps. If you have any more questions, then give me a